Write down the date in your GK copy and then write down heading. 5 sense organs. Okay? 5 sense organs. The first one are our eyes. The second one is nose. Our nose helps us to smell different things. हमारी नाक अलग अलग चीजों को सूंघने में मदद करती है. किसकी स्मेल कैसी है, whether it is good, whether it is bad, ये हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? With the help of our nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Everyone read and write. Nose. Yes, Ane, what do you want to show, beta? Ane? Ane, very nice. Very good. Well done. Very good, बच्चा. अच्छा, one more thing. जहां पर पानी कलेक्ट होता है ना, जब रेन वाटर कलेक्ट होता है उसको कलेक्शन कहते हैं. That also you write down. ठीक है, Ane, very nice. Well done. So, N-O-S-E, nose. The third sense organ are ears. Our ears helps us to hear different sounds. हमारी ears हमें अलग अलग साउंड सुनने में मदद करते हैं. अभी मैम क्या बोल रहे हैं, आप कैसे पता चल रहा है आपको ये? With the help of your ears. So write down E-A-R-S, ears. Read and write. Read and write. E-A-R-S, ears. Next, number 4 is tongue. हमारी जबान. So, tongue helps us to taste different things. Tongue helps us to taste. Tongue हमें taste करने में मदद करती है. It helps us to taste. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये नमकीन है, मीठा है, कड़वा है या खट्टा है? With the help of our tongue. And number 5th sense organ is skin. Our skin helps us to feel. हमारी स्किन हमें फील करने में मदद करती है. It helps us to feel. हम लोग अलग अलग टेक्सचर फील कर सकते हैं. आप अपने चीक्स पर हाथ लगाओ. कैसे हैं चीक्स? सॉफ्ट, स्मूथ, है ना? यस. वहीं हम अपने हेयर पे हाथ लगाएंगे तो वो थोड़े अलग है. Isn't it? तो सब टेक्सचर अलग होते हैं और हम कैसे फील कर सकते हैं? With the help of our skin. S-K-I-N, skin. Okay. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. So these are 5 sense organs. 5. Okay. So the title of the rhyme is Mendak Mama. This rhyme is in your rhyme book on page number 8. Page number 8 पर है. ठीक है? चलो, let's start everyone. मेंढक मामा छाता लेकर. Rakshan, don't touch the screen. कुछ लेने बाजार चले, पानी बरस रहा था रिमझिम, मगर जरूरी काम चले। जैसे ही 2 कदम चले, कीचड़ में वह फिसल गए। धरती पर गिर पड़े धराम, मुंह से निकला हाय राम। Chaitya and Rakshansh, I am going to remove you from the class. Don't do. Do not do, Chena. Do not do the rhyme and all. Start. मेंढक मामा छाता लेकर कुछ लेने बाजार चले, पानी बरस रहा था रिमझिम, मगर जरूरी काम चले। जैसे ही 2 कदम चले, कीचड़ में वह फिसल पड़े। धरती पर गिर पड़े धराम, मुंह से निकला हाय राम। चैत्या, मेरे कहने के बाद भी आपने एक्शंस नहीं करे है ना? विल गिव योर नेम टू कविता मैम, ठीक है? ऑल राइट किड्स, चलो now we'll do our English work. So come on, get your English copy. Everyone get your English copy. Chalo, come on. And write down today's date. Write down today's date. So first of all, in your English copy, you write down today's date. Date to you all know, 8 October 2021. October is the 10th month. That's why we had written 10 here. Okay, you write down 8/10/2021. Now, अच्छा, in our last class, what we had done? हमारी last class में हम लोगों ने क्या करा था? We had done unjumbled the letters. याद आया आपको? Letters आगे पीछे लिखे हुए होते हैं, फिर हमको क्या करना होता है? उनको arrange करना होता है. We have to arrange the letters in order to make one meaningful word. So today also we have to look at the picture and we have to arrange the letters ताकि वो correct word बन सके. ठीक है? जसदीप, cover your mouth. Cover your mouth. Where are the manners? Chalo. So you have to look at the picture and you have to unjumble the letters. Okay. So जैसे अभी आपको मैम ने बताया, the letters are not arranged in the proper way. Chaitya, cover your mouth. Cover your mouth in this way. ऐसे करते हैं cover, अगर आपको नहीं पता तो. मुझे इतना टाइम हो गया बोलते बोलते. Whenever you are sneezing, yawning, coughing, anything, you should cover your mouth. These are manners. अच्छा, आप सबके बीच में बैठे होगे. We are sitting between many people. तो आप क्या करोगे? उनके मुंह पर खासोगे? उनके मुंह पर छींकोगे आप? Are these the manners? Then हमें क्या करना चाहिए? We have to cover our mouth. चलो, come on. Unjumble the letters. The letters are not arranged in proper way. So we have to arrange the letters in a proper way that it should make a meaningful word. हमको ऐसे arrange करना है ताकि एक meaningful word बने. ठीक है? Today we have to look at the picture and unjumble the letters. Now everyone look at the first picture and सोचिए ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? It's a nest. जो चिड़िया अपना घोंसला बनाती है उसको नेस्ट कहते हैं. So this is nest. So यहाँ पर unjumbled letters लिखे हैं. So we have to arrange this letter to make the word nest. ये nest है. This is the picture of nest. So we have to arrange this jumbled letters in a way that it makes the word nest. ठीक है? तो बोलकर देखो पहला लेटर कौन सा आएगा? बोलकर देखो कमेंट से. न, nest, न. So N, ne, N-E, then nest. So S and T, nest, N-E-S-T, nest. We have to arrange the letters in such a way that it makes a proper word. देखो यहाँ पर ये नेस्ट है क्या? नहीं, ये तो गलत लेटर्स हैं. सो हमको इन लेटर्स को आगे पीछे कर कर ऐसे अरेंज करना है ताकि नेस्ट बन जाए. Write down. Kids, now look at the next picture. It's very simple. मैम की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी, आप खुद ही उसे बना लोगे. Look, what is this? It's a hat. Okay, so you have to arrange the letters to make the word hat. अब इन letters को हमें arrange करना है. So H, hat, H-A-T, hat. Now, next one is, look, this also you know. What is this? It's a table. Table. So we have to arrange the word. We have to arrange the letters to make the word table. So, T, T-A. Then bul, B-L, B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Table. Kids, आपको अपनी राइटिंग का ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है? Don't write untidy. And you have to maintain your copy properly. Table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Okay. Now, number 4 is duck. 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 So we have to jumble up the letters. Okay, unjumble the letters to make the word duck. So D-U-C-K. We have to arrange in the way, we have to arrange the letters in a way that it makes a meaningful word. It makes the word duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So can I erase the first one? Now, number 5. Number 5 are stars. Okay, so we have to arrange the letters to make the word stars. All right, chalo. Stop. There's a blend. Stop. S-T-A. Star. R or S. Stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. I think it's not visible clearly. I'm writing it again. Now, number 6. Number 6 is tree. Number 6 पर क्या है? Tree. So, come on, unjumble the letters. Tra, T-R, tra, double E. So it becomes tree. T-R, double E, tree. Tree. Okay, Myra, good. Then, the next one is book. Book. So arrange the letters in a way that it makes the word book. बोल कर देखो bo B-O-O-K book. जैसे मैम ने आपको बताया था डबल ओ का साउंड करते वक्त कि देयर आर 2 साउंड्स ऑफ डबल ओ. एक उ भी होता है, ऊ भी होता है, जिसे कहते हैं शॉर्ट साउंड और लॉन्ग साउंड. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर शॉर्ट साउंड है, इसको हम बुक नहीं पढ़ेंगे. वी रीड इट एज बुक. B-O-O-K book. And the last one is so very simple. You don't need my help. 8th one is mug. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. All right. So, parents are requested to check it themselves. As we don't have enough time, the meeting is about to get over in few minutes. So parents, you kindly check it. Parents, you kindly check it yourself. Okay, thank you. Kids, the writing and all, you should pay attention at each and everything. Writing अच्छी होनी चाहिए, neat होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? Parents are requested to check it. Okay. Ishani, Navya, ask your mother to check it. ठीक है? Ikra, you too. The English rhyme. The title of the English rhyme is I have a toothbrush. I have a toothbrush. Chalo, start. I have a toothbrush, neat and gay. Say, everyone, अब तो आपको learn हो गई होगी. Start. I have a toothbrush, neat and gay, to brush my teeth with every day. I brush them every morning. I brush them each night till all are shining, clean and bright. All right. Okay, kids. Now join your hands together for thank you prayer. Start. The school is over for us today. Done our work, done our play. Before we go, we come to say thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. All right, kids. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye, बच्चों.